Anyways, it's a little unhealthy year or something. I don't know the what's in the air or whatever. What diseases like getting the eyes, but it can lead to serious farsightedness. Yeah, and I already carry it. So I had to bring my glasses though. But yeah, I'm at the point where my eyes is already like feeling like dizzy and all that. The fan is up, but it's not really reaching my face. So I'm just thinking, oh yeah. Enjoy the rest of your day, whoever it is. Okay, I'm just gonna chill and go to bed. Yeah, I try to take a nap too. It's a long thing. I don't have anything to do on no Wi-Fi, so I'm just gonna go to bed. I can still see everything around me. I don't know how clear the world looks or how clear everything looks, but I can see it pretty clearly. Okay, my eyes are starting to hurt, like blinking, blinking, blinking. It really hurts. Okay, and I'm low on the blood tonic. Yes, I'm not feeling well. Okay, my head hurts a little bit, but I don't know how bad. I don't know how wounded my hands feels because I don't feel pain anymore. Yeah, it feels so normal now. Mm, it's probably numb. I don't know. I'm just gonna um some plum. It's a little mango. Irina. Listen right here. Don't even know. Let me see. I come. Let me see. Look up.